Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to seamlessly automate the sending of post-purchase Net Promoter Score survey by using our integration with Klaviyo and how to visualize it in Reveal. The Net Promoter Score is a metric that shows you how many customers are willing to recommend your products or services to others. Net Promoter Score is a very powerful tool for finding out what is your customer sentiment pre- and post-delivery, what areas you can improve in your business, and where to act on the dot. The sending of Net Promoter Score requires two important steps: the integration with Klaviyo and the integration with Explorer that captures the survey answers. Let's start first with the integration between Klaviyo and Reveal. Prior to the next operations, you'll need to create an account in Klaviyo first. Then, you need to go to the settings page in Reveal, scroll down to the integration part, and click on the Klaviyo settings. Here, you'll be requested to add an API key, a sender email, and a sender name. To generate a new API key, you need to go to Klaviyo's account settings after you've created a Klaviyo account and click on the API keys. Generate a new API key and create a label for it. Then copy the API key and paste it in Reveal. Then go to the Net Promoter Score settings in Reveal and choose the Net Promoter Score Klaviyo email settings. Here we will decide which list will be populated with customers to whom you are about to send the Net Promoter Score and the email template for the Net Promoter Score. If left empty, a new list and a new template will be automatically generated for you in Klaviyo, List, and Segments. Moreover, a new campaign will be automatically created in Klaviyo once you've set up the integration in Reveal. Now we have to choose when to send the Net Promoter Score invitation via email, on which page should be displayed, how long invitations are valid, and define rules to avoid spamming your customers. Go to the settings again and click on the Net Promoter Score settings. As you will notice, some fields are already pre-filled with some default values, while others require your input. Fill in the necessary fields and let's see how it looks like in Klaviyo and what you can do with the Net Promoter Score. If you successfully set up all the previous steps, your Net Promoter Score campaign is almost ready to be up and running. The email template is fully customizable for your branding. Whenever you send customer data, customer events, or Net Promoter Score from Reveal, the list where you collect the customers will also contain the customer profile. Once you have data about the Net Promoter Score from that specific client, it will appear here in the purchase history. Additionally to just collecting clients' feedback through Net Promoter Score, it also offers a new way of approaching your customers. For example, you may decide to send an email to all your customers who were unsatisfied with their last orders and had a low Net Promoter Score, but they used to have a higher score in the past. You can create a segment that includes those customers that moved from promoters group to the detractors and send them a campaign. Prior to proceeding on creating the campaign, you may want to look in the open answers and find a pattern that you can approach in the message. Let's get now to the second step of completing the Net Promoter Score automation. As we mentioned, the second step requires an integration with Explorer, the place where the Net Promoter Score survey is created. Basically, the numbers you are seeing in the Net Promoter Score template generated in Klaviyo are linked to this survey from Explorer. The email marketing platforms don't have this ability to create surveys, so we need an external tool for this. To be able to accomplish this step, you need first to create an account in Explorer. After this, install the tracking code on a page where you want the survey to be displayed on. This is the page where the user will be redirected after they click on a score from 0 to 10. You can find the tracking code in the upper menu. Copy the tracking code and paste it in your page header manually or using Google Tag Manager. Now let's link Reveal to Explorer. Go first in Explorer and click on the integration sections from the upper menu. Copy the string from Reveal and now switch to Reveal settings. Scroll down to the Explorer settings, paste the string here and click Connect. Now the integration between Reveal and Explore is enabled. After you successfully added the tracking code and linked Reveal to Explore, go to the survey menu in Explore and click on New Survey button. Choose a question title and the question type, in our case Net Promoter Score, and click Save. If you want to address an additional question to your customers, add a new question and choose an open answer. Make sure that the Net Promoter Score question is correctly linked to the corresponding next question. Go to Appearance and edit your survey design according to your branding. Then go to Text and remove the intro message as we already have one in the email template. Then go to Audience and set up the URL page where the survey will be displayed and where the tracking code is active. Then click Publish button. This is all you need to do. Reveal and Klaviyo will handle everything from now on, and your Net Promoter Score automation will be up and running. Every customer that completes an order will receive a Net Promoter Score survey according to your timing settings you applied earlier in Reveal. After you have the first responses, you will be able to see the graphs in Reveal by accessing Customer Voice menu. When you have enough data, you can look at the Net Promoter Score trend year over year or month over month, see who are your detractors exactly, and even view the Net Promoter Score by RFM group, brand, category, or customer attributes. If you want to download a specific group of customers that have a specific score, you can go and see the full list and export whatever you want by playing with the filters. Once you've set up your automated Net Promoter Score, you are already closer to a greater relationship with your customer.